Alright, so here maybe you can't tell or not, but this is my go-to makeup look, which I will be putting on at the end of this video. So yeah, stick around and you'll see that my makeup makes me pretty much exactly like I do without it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Lauren, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about how I see makeup and how I use makeup in my own life, or don't. And then I'm just gonna kind of do a little showing of the makeup I may use the most. Disclaimer here, I'm definitely not a makeup expert at all. Any products I mention are not sponsored. And if you hear the air conditioner in the background, that's because it's super gross and humid here in New Jersey. Okay, so let's get started. So first off, I want to say that I think that people who wear makeup, every day if they want to and love doing it, like, first of all, major props for the skill, the time, and the dedication to that, because I have none of those things. I think that some people say that people who wear makeup are like faking something. I think that's bogus. Obviously, no one has glittery eyelids or like deep red lips or purple lips or something, but I do think that there's a time and place for some really dramatic look. I also think that there's nothing wrong with people who like don't want to wear makeup or don't wear makeup for whatever other reason. Like maybe I would wear makeup if I was better at it, because it's like, I kind of see it as almost like can be an art form. But I barely use makeup, so I don't practice very often, so I can't do anything super dramatic anyways. I also am pretty lucky in that, like, I don't wear foundation, and I generally don't even wear like concealer or anything, because through mostly the use of probably the luck of the gene pool, and also like a skincare routine that I found kind of by chance for my family, and it just has worked for me, that I don't really have to worry about my complexion or acne or anything, so I don't really worry about that. When I do have like a pimple, I've been using this CC cream, focusing maybe? Yeah, because I don't know, I like how it feels, and I like that it has SPF. Though because I only dab it on one spot, like if I were to get burned, there'd be like spots of not burned, but whatever. So yeah, that's something I generally use for just like little things. I do have like a tinted moisturizer. My grandma actually got this for me like years and years ago when I first got like my focus, got my makeup supply, and I just don't use it very often, so hasn't run out. And I guess because I have watched some makeup tutorials, if I want to feel like fancy afterwards, I use like powder and like a little brush to feel like I know what I'm doing, even though I really have no clue. I cannot reiterate enough that I have no clue about makeup. A lot of people, I think, assume that from afar that I wear like makeup or foundation or concealer because I don't have really acne. But if you look closely, or not even closely, I definitely have dark circles, because no matter how much I sleep, apparently it's just like not enough, or maybe I just will have dark circles for the rest of my life. I have sometimes tried to cover them up, but it usually doesn't work. It just looks cakey and gross, so I ignore it and hope for the best. Yeah, I probably the main reason like lately that I don't try with makeup or even like eyeshadows is because I don't have a ton of time in the mornings at school. Like, I could leave more time, but I would prefer to sleep longer and try to get that 8-9 hours versus waking up early to try to put on some look that I probably, but I think it's very impressive, the people who wake up early and get their perfect cat eye every morning. I suck at eyeliner, like, I just really do. I paint a little bit, but like when to see some people like painting on their face, like very, very impressive. That's all I can say on that front. So this is probably something I use the most if I have acne, though, except for that time of the month, really. I don't generally have a lot of acne, just like every now and then, maybe. If you're noticing any weird pink bump on my forehead right now, that is because a bug bit me yesterday on the forehead. Winning, right? Anyway, the other product I probably use the most would be this mascara. Okay, the focus just like doesn't want to help me out today. Well, whatever. It is, what is it? Maybelline, and it's waterproof. I really like waterproof mascara because I'm an emotional person, and not that I cry like every day, because I don't even wear this every day, but when I do wear it, it's nice to know that if I were to get emotional, it hopefully wouldn't go all over my face, because that's not exactly fun. Lately, because I got this in the mail, with like the Ipsy thing, though I have since canceled that because I have now a ton of products that I am excited to eventually learn how to use, and if I ever do something fun, I like having a variety of options because I feel like I am a creative person and I would like to express my creativity on certain occasions, but I have to practice. But I really like this highlighter. I don't know if you can see it at all, but I really like using this brush because it's purple and like weirdly tilted, and I just like, you know, putting the highlight on. I don't know if it's noticeable at all, but it feels fun for me to put on, and I think that is the best reason to wear makeup, because it feels fun, or you feel confident, or some feeling that you want for yourself, not that someone else is being like, you should wear makeup, because screw them if they're telling you that you need to wear makeup. So when I do dress up a little and I want eyeshadow, I sometimes will go for like a specific, like a color. I do have some colors, but usually I use this. This is a little old. Okay, here we go. It's the Blushed Nudes. Maybelline, again, I guess. I'm a Maybelline fan, apparently. I really like them because they're pretty subtle. Especially for me, since I don't often wear makeup, I feel like just a little like shimmer of something is kind of noticeable to the people that know me. So I think that's pretty much enough. And then I like my favorite lip gloss, like Almay. I have 3 of this brand, like this style by Almay. Why are we not focusing? Okay, so I have 3 of this. This one's like cherry, one's pink, and then this like plum color. I actually have more than one of the plum, so that way I can carry it around different bags because it's my favorite. I really like lip gloss to kind of finish off the day if I don't want to be super dramatic, because it's just like more casual. But I do love my liquid lipsticks. Like this whole bag. Okay, there are some like normal lipsticks, but most of them are liquid lipsticks because I think they're so fun to put on. Some of them are like, I have some purples, blue, mostly reds, like deep pinks and stuff. I think they're so much fun, and I definitely go into phases of when I'm like wearing them a lot more. I don't generally put them on if I'm not going out of the house, because then I have to worry about getting it on my own dishes and stuff when I'm eating and drinking. But otherwise, like if I'm going out, like I was just in the city the other day, I put on a red one because like, why not look a little dramatic? You know, it doesn't hurt anybody. And I own them. So yeah, this is kind of a little my spiel. I got a request to do like a makeup tutorial a couple months ago, so this is the best you're gonna get. I will now attempt to put on the eyeshadow and stuff because, you know, why not? I don't have acne right now, so I'm not gonna try to conceal anything. But let's see. I generally start with eyeshadow. I think that's what you're supposed to do, but I'm not really sure. So let's try getting all squinty here. So I'm gonna attempt to make a little, like, not a real, oh, there we go. Okay. I do have like eyeshadow brushes, but if the palette comes with these things, I don't see why not to use them, honestly. So I'm just putting like this pink, the lightest pink on my lids, and then taking a darker pink and kind of just putting it on the corners. You see. And then I'm gonna blend them a little bit. This is like my go-to look. Not even lying. Okay, I can't see at all how it's looking because I really can't see into the mirror, but whatever. And then I like using like the little white and putting it like right here by my tear ducts to make it glow. What's up, Michelle Fonded? Oh, look, there's my bug mite. Ooh. Okay, so that was thrilling, right? Now I'll attempt to put on the mascara. Okay, that's... We're making progress. Okay, I don't know if I can see a difference from here, but whatever. Yeah. I do have like an eyelash curler that I have never used because it honestly kind of scares me to envision bringing something near my eyes. Now I can use the fun highlighter that I really don't know if it does anything, but like look how pretty it is. And, you know, maybe if the light hits me more, it'll look great. Let me finish off my look with this. You have seen me wear this before. This lip gloss. All right. And there you have it, folks. Lauren's go-to makeup look, the one and only. If anyone, if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and tell me in the comments what you liked, and if you want me to try to attempt a look of something, I am game to try. I do have a variety of colors and products and stuff, but definitely do not expect that this will be the tutorial that you could use to like achieve your Winter Queen Halloween look, because it won't be. Just a disclaimer. Anyways, but this was fun, and I will see you next week. Bye. The battery's gonna die.